Good morning, dear students. Today's we learn chapter number 2, working with in Windows 10. Windows 10 is actually Windows is an operating system which is organize our computer. It is responsible to all the resources are properly work in computer systems. First, Windows are developed by the Microsoft Corporations of USA. And the first version was released on 1985. Their name is Windows 1. After some time to time, the new features are added, and so lots of new Windows versions are listed on here. Now, latest version is Windows 10. Windows 10 is a most recent version. It is released on 2015. It is a updated versions of Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. Now let us discuss about the new features, whatever features are included in Windows 10. Arrow features. Windows 10 is very popular version of Windows operating systems. It includes many new features to make Windows on the computer are pleasant expressions. Now look at the first features, arrow pick features. Arrow pick features is designed to multiple windows are open on desktop. Arrow pick features is the features from that features we are used to open so many windows in our desktop. We are having second new features, show desktop. If whatever windows we are open, if we want to show all the windows at a time, we just click the show desktop button and the all windows are appear on the screen. If we are again close it, click it, it means by all the open windows will be closed or minimized. Then taskbar preview. It another features of arrow features of Windows 10. When the many windows are open on desktop, you can quickly choose the particular or simply just choose your any icon whatever whenever you want which task. Okay, so you just click on these features and easily view preview taskbar. Arrow snap features. Arrow snap features allow to resize our open windows. Look at these pictures. According to with the help of arrow snap features, we are arrange multiple windows or two windows in left and right side. With the help of arrow snap features, we just hold the icon of title bar which we want to arrange in our desktop. Okay, and then drag it toward the left or right side. Then when the pointer hits the left edges, leave the mouse in left button. Okay, now arrow sack features. Arrow sack features allow to quickly minimize every open windows except one we can sack. In previous Windows 7, Windows 8, whatever what we are doing, we just minimize each and every windows one by one. But in Windows 10, arrow sack features, with the help of arrow sack features, we minimize all the open windows at a time. Now, searching for a file and folder. In previous versions, what we are doing for searching, we just each and every time just click start menu, then all program, and then we just search our files and folder. But in Windows 10, the search bar is present on the taskbar, which easily search our files and folder. Okay, if we know the name of files and their extension, directly we type on here and search our file. If we forgot our files and folders name, so what we are doing, we just use special characters that are asterisk sign and question mark. Asterisk sign is used to search the whole characters. If we don't remember our file name or their extension, so what we are doing, we just type asterisk dot asterisk. So what Windows are doing, they are showing the all types of all files. If we know that extension, so what we are doing, we just type asterisk then doc, documents type. If we know that is document type, so what we do, asterisk dot doc. If we know our file name is started DIGI, but we don't know their extension and rest of the letters, so what we type, DG asterisk dot asterisk. Then the windows are shows all the types of files, digital.doc, dgengines.txt, whatever files are saved in your computer, it show all the files. Then second special character is question mark. Question mark is basically replace one character in a one character of your file name. For example, glossy question mark dot doc. If we don't know the 6 word of our file, so for that we are just type gloss question mark then doc. It's automatically slow the glossy one, etc. glossy or glossy one, but it's not slow more than one characters document. Now the next feature is copy and move. It's also useful features. It's very easy to use in Windows 10. We just easily click our file whatever we want to copy and paste and drag to new location with the help of mouse. But if we don't want to use the mouse with the help of keyboard, what we are doing, we just select the file, press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl X for cut, and then we just move to the next locations and press Ctrl V. So automatically file will be moved from another places. Working with multiple applications. Some of us like to listen music. Multiple application, it mean by if you want to do the more than one task at a time, so we are using multiple application. It's called multiple application. For example, if we are type something, if we are doing work in Excel and we want to listen music, so for that purpose Windows 10 allowed to do multiple tasks at a time. And here one taskbar, all the opens windows are listed here. We just easily click and move that particular task. Virtual desktop, it is a new features of Windows 10. Virtual desktops, it allow us to have multiple desktop screen where we can keep open windows organized. Their steps are click on task view on taskbar, then click on new desktop options on the lower right corner. We can access, delete the new taskbar by clicking task view again. Look at this, it's a taskbar or virtual view. Click on taskbar task view, so we got this types of screen. If you want to click virtual desktop, so multiple open windows will be open just like it. Okay, have a nice day, students.